We are working on GMetrix PowerPoint Project Review 3. We're the part of the project called Good Weather All Year. The first task wants us to go ahead and reuse a slide from another PowerPoint file. It tells us to place it between the houseboat vacation activities and wake surfing. So we'll go ahead and put our cursor here on slide 3. We're in the slides group. We'll click New Slide dropdown. We'll select Reuse Slides. We'll click Browse from File. You'll want to map to your GMetrix templates folder. The file is called Lake Vacations. It tells us that we're going to insert slide 4, Good Weather All Year. So we'll just go ahead and click that once, and we can close out of this. We'll check that we completed the task. This task wants us to go ahead and modify the table that's on this slide. We're going to insert a row below December, and we'll go ahead and key in the information here in the step. So we'll go ahead and click within our table. We'll go to the Table Tools Layout tab here at the top. We'll select Insert Below in the Row and Columns group. We'll begin typing. We'll go ahead and click out of the table just to set the text, and we'll go ahead and check that we completed that task. This task wants us to go ahead and change the font of the row we just added to Calibri. So we'll go ahead and select this entire row. We're in the font group, and we'll go ahead and check that we completed that task. This task wants us to go ahead and add a note at the bottom of a page that says explain that some water toys are not available during winter months. To do that, what we want to do is just click in this section at the bottom here that says click to add notes. If you don't see that, you can also click this here in the status bar, notes, to make that section appear. We'll go ahead and type that text. We'll go ahead and check that we completed that task.